Good morning, children. I would like to start the reported speech with a slogan that is coming together is beginning, living together is progress, lasting together is success. As our great poet, Kannada poet says, Jnanapita Vadi, V.K. Gokak says, English has come to stay in the developing countries. It has been a window to knowledge. Dear friends, nowadays English has been a global language. It's the language of library. Why? Because most of the information and books are available in English only. It is said that English is the most beautiful language in the world. It is the richest language in the world, as well as it is the stylic language. It is a gateway of knowledge. It is the language of trade and commerce and communication. To know English or any language, grammar is the base or foundation, you can say. So many grammatical areas are there to be learned, such as parts of speech, figures of speech, degrees of comparison, voices, tenses, clauses. So many grammatical concepts are there to be studied. Amongst them, reporting is a very unique and important one because the mood or the feeling and the context in which the speaker has said something needs to be reported in the same sense. Let me start the topic reported speech. Reported speech is also called as direct and indirect speech. Reported speech can be called as direct and indirect speech. Dear children, I have written a sentence here. Swami said to me, Swami said to me, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. This is direct speech. Swami said to me, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. This is direct speech. Okay. Then let us know about the words of this sentence. Swami is the speaker here. Speaker, one who speaks. Set reporting word or introductory word. Reporting word or introductory word. Me, listener or addressed person or addressee or addressed person or listener. Swami said to me, this is comma, double inverted commas. Double inverted commas. I am going to Delhi tomorrow. These are the exact words of the speaker. I am going to Delhi tomorrow. These are the exact words of the speaker. Exact words of the speaker is called direct speech. Okay. And the exact words are always put into double inverted commas. Double inverted commas. This is a sentence of, this is an example of direct speech. Now, how can it be reported? While reporting as direct speech, while reporting a sentence from direct to indirect, how can it be reported? Let us see. Here, this is the second sentence. Second sentence, indirect speech. It is reported speech. This is reported speech. Indirect speech means reported speech. See, how can it be reported? Swami told me that. Swami told me that he was going to Delhi the next day. This is indirect speech. While converting a sentence from direct to indirect, what are the changes? What type of changes can be made? Let us see. First of all, changes made. Changes made. VPT can be changed. VPT means verb, pronoun, time or tense. Verb, pronoun, time or tense. VPT can be changed. Here, let me read the second sentence. Swami told me that he was going to Delhi the next day. This is reported speech. Then what are the changes made here? Changes. The first change is the conjunction that is used here. The conjunction that is used while converting a statement or an explanation or exclamatory sentence into reported speech. In case of an assertive sentence or an exclamatory sentence, we must compulsorily use the conjunction that. That is a conjunction. That it is a conjunction. It can also be used as that. That is conjunction. And that is also used pronoun. That is also used pronoun. For example, that pronoun adjective. That is my friend. That is my sister. That is my sister. That generally avadu as a pronoun. That is my brother. Avanu. That is my brother. Okay. Pronoun. As an adjective. That boy is very good. That boy is very good. That girl is very intelligent girl. That as a pronoun. But here, in this sentence, that is used as a conjunction. That is used as a conjunction. Conjunction means, joining verb. Joining verb. Swami told me that. Here, first change is said to can be changed into told, or it may be written as it is. Either you can write like this: Swami said to me that, or Swami told me that. Okay? Swami told me that he was going to tell me the next day. Here, pronoun. I is the pronoun. Pronoun is changed. Here, VPT, P. Pronoun I changes into he. In case if instead of Swami, if there is the name of, if the speaker is female or feminine gender, then we might have used she. Okay? Instead of Swami, Gita, Sita, Swami said to me that she was. Okay? But Swami is a masculine gender, hence instead of I, we must use he. If the speaker is feminine gender, then we could have used she. Swami told me that he was. Here, am going, continuous tense. Tense of the verb is changed. Next, tense of the verb is changed. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Okay, am going changes into was going. Swami told me that he was going to Delhi. The next day, tomorrow changes into the next day. How? The word tomorrow shows nearness. There is a rule. While converting a sentence from direct to indirect, if we see the words showing the nearness, they can be changed into the word showing distance. Okay, here tomorrow it shows nearness, but the word showing nearness can be changed into the word showing distance. For example, here tomorrow changes into the next day. Tomorrow changes into the next day. Yes, Swami told me that he was going to Delhi the next day. This is indirect speech or reported speech. Reported speech or indirect speech. Reported speech or indirect speech. Okay, changes made. VPT can be changed. VPT can be changed. VPT means verb, pronoun, time or tense. They can be changed. And the conjunction that is used while converting a statement or an exclamatory sentence into reported speech. Okay, and pronoun is changed. I changed it to here he. Tense of the verb is changed, and the word showing nearness can be changed into the word showing distance. I shall go on reading it once again. Listen to me. The first this sentence is direct speech. It's in direct speech. This is in direct speech. Okay, in direct speech, Swami is speaker. Set is reporting verb or introductory verb. Me, it is addressee. It is an addressee or addressed person or listener. This is comma, and these are what? These are inverted commas. Inverted commas. And these are the exact words of the speaker. And the exact words of the speaker is called direct speech. Oh, hence this sentence is in direct speech. Okay. And how can it be changed into reported speech or indirect speech? Yeah, listen to me. Swami told me that he was going to Delhi the next day. What is the changes made here? Here, first changes made. VPT can be changed. VPT, VPT, verb, pronoun, time or tense. They can be changed. Okay. And here, set to reporting verb can be changed. Set to can be changed into told, or it can be written as it is. How? Swami said to me that. That is right. Or Swami told me that he was going to Delhi the next day. Okay. The conjunction that is used here. The conjunction that is used. And pronoun I change into he. I am going to change into was going. And the word tomorrow changes into the next day. Why? Because the word tomorrow is the word that shows the nearness. Okay. And then these are the this is about the first example that I have given you, how a direct speech can be changed into indirect speech. And I have discussed here only about the assertive sentence. Okay. And from the next tomorrow onwards we will have discussions about the tense wise discussions. Okay. Thank you. No doubt these things. No doubt, my dear friends. No doubt.